to our show. May I ask you how you were able to develop this expertise?
Thank you very much for inviting me. So, I would like to show you rather than to tell you.
So we prepared some slides. This is just try to, I hope it works. Sometimes it doesn't work, okay? So, one moment, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, as you can see, this is one of the masterpiece as a part of my collection. Since I'm an expert in equestrian, So you see this piece that I bought from Paris. You see that the sculpture is full of horses. You see how they...
May I ask you this horseshoe? Is this you?
Does it look like? You know one thing about my collection? They can also sing and dance.
It's amazing, but is it actually that in younger years you were also right?
Yes, I started when I was young, at the age of 7, and my parents bring me.
Oh, I remember we have a nice slide of that.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, please.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Yes, you see how beautiful my family are.
And this is your strange sister, correct? The one who has a long fight. Sorry, I shouldn't spill the beans. I'm sorry. But
It's
maybe you
okay.
like
Yeah, so these are my sister-in-law, and they really love each other. This is how they love each other.
Okay. Thank you for sharing.
No, I want to add on one thing.
Yes.
You see these people over here?
Yes.
This is what we call mountains. In my family. These are my parents, this is my sister-in-law, this is our neighbor.
Great. Okay. And then finally you studied